Hello guys, are you a forex trader? Are you a beginner in the market? Do you want to make massive profit? Like I said in my last video, if you want to make massive profit, join our Telegram group. Let's make massive profit together. This is VIP Telegram group. I'll be adding you up in my Telegram group. So I'll be pasting my Telegram links that you can actually DM me directly in my account. Please don't forget to come straight to the point because I have many messages. I might not reply, but if you are lucky, you are lucky. Now, if you're actually in for account management, come to my DM. I'll be managing your account depending on the amount of equity you brought to the table. Please don't forget, if you want to make massive profit or if you are actually a beginner in this forex trading, this video is actually for you. So keep being, stay till this end of this video, watch to the end of the video, and you might learn a lot of lessons in this video. Now, as you can see, this massive breakout that this market is actually showing is a little bit intense. Now, if you are looking at this market in a different angle, it's going to go massively buy, but with no time, this market is going to reverse with this break here. Now, if this market gets to this point, this market is going to reverse immediately, just like I said. So if you're actually trading in this particular market, this is called hit and run market. Now, if you're actually placing, maybe you lost from here, let me put it there. If you lost, like if you miss the market from this particular angle to this particular direction to this place, and you're like, okay, this market is actually here now, and this market is going to go massive buy, but we have already missed this particular direction to this particular direction. This market is this particular place shows that you're just going to place a trade with big lot size and just take the profit over here or take it over here. And don't forget, if you want to be a successful trader in the industry or in the forex marketing, you need to learn how to be disciplined. It's a very nice and a very few steps for you to be a successful trader. I always say this to my videos. If you want to trade, make sure you being a professional trader, you being a beginner in forex trading, make sure you put stop loss in all your trade. Yeah, make sure you make use of stop loss. Advertise stop loss a lot because I know the use of stop loss anytime I want to trade, and I know how I use it in some particular trading or market. But I use stop loss a lot, but I don't really use it that much. But I will advise for you to use stop loss. It helps a lot. For example, let me show you guys. Let me give you guys example of how this stop loss helps in the market. Some markets, you know already, market is something that forex trading is something that you go into and you analyze your market, you figure out the signal which the market is going, then you place your trade, then the market is going that direction. It will not actually reach that particular place you think that the market is actually going. Before you know, one or two candlesticks, the market reverses into particular down trade, and it goes massively down that it will just blow you off the market. It happened to many people, many forex traders, many professionals, many beginners. Some of you guys are actually bought signals, because I know a lot of people that come to my DM asking for signals. They want to buy signals, blah blah blah. It actually helps for those of you guys that bought signals, because a lot of people, they buy signals from forex traders, professional forex traders, to be precise. Professional traders, they buy signals from them. Then at the end of the day, the signals goes otherwise. Then they keep the blame on the professional traders. This trader don't know how to trade. This guy is not a professional trader. He's just deceiving people. This guy, some of them, they come up with the idea of this particular forex trader is a scam. So you guys should just stay away from it. It's not the person that sell or like that sold the signal to you that is supposed to be blamed, because the person didn't take your money. He didn't actually ask you for money and you sent it to him. So he's not the one eating your money. You understand? You are not the one. He's not the one to be blamed. So if you're actually placing trade and you bought signals, please make sure you put take profit and stop loss. It's very important in the forex trading. For instance, let me just say, I placed a trade here. Then when I want to trade, when I want to allow the market to go, then I put my stop loss here. So I put my stop loss here, depending on my equity and my loss size I'm using to go into the market. I put my stop loss here. Then I come over here. Then I put my take profit, or let me say here, I put my take profit. Now the market is likely to reverse over here and come down to this particular angle and blow off this market. But if the market didn't reach this particular angle, just know that it's still going up. Okay, imagine that it reaches this angle and blow off the market with my stop loss, blow off my stop loss in the market, and I'll still have a lot of equity to go into market anytime I want to. But you eventually see the market hits down, the candlestick keep on moving down, and down. And you remember that, okay, assuming that you didn't put stop loss, this market could have been a loss, a total loss. Okay, or imagine, okay, you place a trade, because once you don't put stop loss in a trade, it means that you are not ever going to be satisfied in a particular profit you made. And also, you are not going to take the loss that you're actually on. Because if you are not putting stop loss and take profit, if you are going in loss, you'll be like, nah, this market is going to reverse. I pray this market reverse. Before you know it, you blow your account. And if you are taking profit, you know that, okay, I took profit in this particular angle, we are good. Even if the market reverses, we are good. Even if the market didn't reverse, keep on going up, we are good. But a lot of people don't take profit. But imagine that you didn't take profit. Think about it. Now, you're not putting take profit here, and the market keeps going up. Normally, you think that, okay, as long as this market is going up, it's going to go massively up to this direction. You leave the market. Before you know, this market reverses over here, then start going down. Blow off your account. When you have already made a lot of profit, then you lost everything. That's insane. So that's why I always advise you guys, put your profits and take your loss. If you can't really trade very well, come to my DM. I'll manage your account. I'll make massive profit for you in my own strategy. And if you want to learn more about forex trading, come to my DM. I will also add you up in my VIP Telegram channel, where I teaches you guys everything I know about forex trading and more. And you can actually receive free signal every day I want to trade. So I'll be giving you guys free signal every day, so you make more massive profit while learning forex trading. So come to my DM. Let's work things together. Let's make you a profitable trader and a successful trader at that point. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to like and comment what you actually think about the video. If this video is actually helpful, please drop a comment in my comment section. I didn't trade because I'm looking a little bit stressed right now. I don't trade when I'm stressed, so I have to give it a little bit time, like 2 hours or 3 hours plus. I have to sleep for like 1 hour. I was awake all the night monitoring the market, so I have to give it like 2 hours. I'm waiting for some basic or entrance to trade. So I will have to wait, but I have to show you guys a little bit way on how to make massive profit. So if you're actually seeing this video and you see the video is helpful, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Thank you guys.